Hello, welcome to all to my YouTube channel and our lecture series. What we are going to discuss about. Okay, today we will discuss about the altimeter. Altimeter. You can hear this in some words. Altimeter is a device which is used to calculate the flight. Height of the flight, in which height the flight is in fleet condition, in crew condition, like that, and height of an aircraft above a given pressure level. Since the altimeter is the only instrument that is capable of indicating the altitude. Altitude is nothing but the height. One of the most vital instrument installed in a flight. It's most important, and it shows the aircraft's altitude above the sea level by measuring the difference between the pressure in a stack of aneroid capsules inside the altimeter and the atmospheric pressure obtained through the static system. Pitot system and static system we have already seen in the previous video. So the altimeter calibration is the unit measured is hectopascals. And let us see the operation principle. You can see the diagram, the schematic mechanism, diagram of mechanism here, and here we can see the pressure altimeter is an aneroid barometer. It is a type of barometer that measures the pressure of the atmosphere at the level where the altimeter is located. It means where the flight is standby or where the flight is moving on, in which height the flight is moving on, and the pressure at the altitude indicates in feet. So not in centimeter and meter like that, it's feet. The altimeter uses static pressure as source of operation. It uses the static pressure. Where we can get the static pressure? From the static tube. We already seen pitot port and static port in past videos. And air is denser at sea level than a lift. As altitude increase, atmospheric pressure is decrease. So by using this difference only, the altimeter is working. This is differential pressure at various levels causes altimeter to indicate changes in altitude. So here in the figure we can see the long needle here with the inverted triangle, which means here which drives the gear of the needle, which indicates the feet or the altitude. So the inverted triangle in the end indicates 10,000s of the feet, tens of thousands of feet. So in short, while needle indicates the thousands of feet and a long needle at the top indicates hundreds of feet. So we have three indicators like this here. Here you can clearly see the mechanism. This small indicator shows the hundreds in speeds. This big needle shows the thousands of feet. So when the pressure differs in altitude level, this barometer is basically a physical instrument. This barometer is giving the mechanism to dial gauge, and the indicated altitude is correct, however only when the sea level barometric pressure is standard, which means 29.92 Hg. We mentioned in Hg, and the sea level free air temperature is standard plus 15 degrees Celsius, so or 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pressure and the temperature. So here we need some adjustment during altimeter while we are going to take off the flight. So it is non-standard pressures are accomplished by setting the correct pressure into a barometric scale located on the face of the altimeter. Only after the altimeter is set does it indicate the correct altitude. The word correct will need to be better explained. So when the altitude is correct, then then we can see the types of altitudes and start to fleet the aircraft. So now I hope you have an overview of altimeter in aircraft. So we will see in the next video. Thank you.